karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox my Scorpion Exo 1400 helmet. So guys, I ordered it on fcmoto.de, and while I am opening it, I would like to tell you, like, I paid around 170 pounds for this, including the shipping to Oman. Okay, so guys, I opened the box. Now here is the bill. You can see, like, I paid about 170 GBP. Okay, so guys, now let us take it out. And what else is there in the box? Okay, so it also comes with this FC Moto stickers. Okay, so I'll take this away. And guys, here is our Scorpion Exo 1400 Evo Air Vittoria helmet. So guys, this is the helmet box. Let us open it and let us see what is in the box. So guys, here is the helmet which is in the pouch, and this pouch has this Scorpion branding on it. Okay, so we'll open it later. And what else is in the box? So you have this pin lock for the helmet, and it also have this instruction manual. Okay, so guys, this is our helmet. So let us take it out of the pouch. So guys, here it is. So mine is matte black, red and white in color. You can see the Scorpion branding here. Okay, and on the sides, okay, and you can see this, there is a air vent on the top, which has kind of three settings, and it has a air vent in the front. Okay, and it has a button using which you can release the windshield. Okay, and guys, this helmet is ECE 22.06 approved, and it is made up of composite carbon shell. Okay, and guys, the other thing about this helmet which I find very unique, so the cheek pads on this helmet, they are inflatable. So here you can see on the side, so there is this red button like a pump. So you press it and the cheek pads can inflate like this. So the pads are inflatable, so they kind of make the fit of this helmet very perfect, this option. Okay, and on the side of this red button, so there is another button you press, and the air is released from the helmet. Okay, so guys, overall this is not a very heavy helmet. The weight of this helmet is around 1.5 kilograms. Okay, and guys, for my head I ordered size M. Okay, so size M in this brand is around 58 centimeter of your head circumference. Okay, so guys, before we end this video, I will wear this helmet. Okay, I just dropped it. I'll wear this helmet so you can have an idea how it fits and how it feels. So guys, before we end this video, I'll wear this helmet, and so that you can have an idea how it looks and how it feels. So to wear it, I'll pull these straps out, and we'll go from the back, and I will come in to the front. So guys, here it is. So you can have the front view, this side view, and the full 360-degree view. So guys, this helmet also comes with this built-in sun visor, which can be opened and closed using this button on the side. Okay, so here it is, and we can close it. So guys, that's all for today. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more riding videos and all kind of stuff. And all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.